Today's POD. So I'm trying that my voice is nice only, like loud enough. Okay. Let's start. So this is LRU Cache. You can refer its driver video also if you want. And it's like assembly language. Do this, do that, do that. No, it is like that only. Do this, do that, because it have no doubly linked list. Okay. So you can do everything, like there is no rocket science in that. So it used two data structure, doubly linked list and the map. Okay, map to easily access the address, any address, and doubly linked list to easily follow, like perform the operations. Okay, so it have a so much real use case also. So it's a very nice question. LRU, and there is similar question LFU, means least frequent used. So today we will discuss this least recently used, means whatever is the least recently used, then that you need to display first if you get any key. Okay, so let's start. So we will see this example. Okay, so what you'll take is one head, okay, and one tail. Initially this head and tail will be pointing towards each other. Okay, then 1 and 10 came. Okay, it's a doubly linked list. If you don't know what is doubly linked list has two pointers, prev and next. Okay, two nodes and two pointers. So you can access this node by this node dot previous and this node by this node dot next. Okay, and what is map? Map is a key value pair in which key can be unique. Okay, we will take unordered maps, it will not be sorted, and the address will be every memory has some address, right? So to access this we are storing this in map. Okay, I hope you got the two data structure that we are using. So let's get started. So what we are 1 is the key, 10 is the value. Okay, let's insert it. 1 is the key, 10 is the value. Okay, we have inserted it. Now 3 is the key, 5 is the 15 is the value. Okay, we will insert it. But suppose it have a address A, then we will store one key have a address. Okay, now 3 will come and capacity is 3. Okay, so we can still fill up. Okay, that's fine. So we will shift this, and what I'll do is like add here one node with 3 key and 15 as a value. Okay, so suppose I have an address B, then 3 key have a B address. Okay, then 2 and 12 comes. Okay, we will store 2 and 12. So firstly we will shift these. What shifting means, I will tell you actually. Here we are inserting 2 and 12. So 2 have an address, let's suppose it goes to the address C, so 2 have an address C. Okay, so we are adding here like near to head means this is recently used. Okay, and this is previously used. Okay, so whatever is the latest will come next to head. Okay, now I will just quickly tell you how you will add node. If this node you want to add, then what you will do is you will firstly have like this. Okay, and some further. So what you will store this in the temporary variable. Okay, now you are safe, you are having this address. Okay, now you can easily head next equal to new node, and new node previous equal to head, and new node next equal to temporary, and temporary previous equal to this. Okay, so if you want to delete the node, then also it's simple. If suppose you want to delete this node, okay, then you can get easily whatever is the previous of this node by del node dot previous, and what is the next of this node. If you are having these two addresses, then it's so simple, mark it like this will be considered as del. You can delete also this node for not garbage collecting. Okay, so okay, let's do. So we have inserted 2. Now it is saying get me 3. Okay, you will go to the map. See, in map you can easily do map dot find 3. Okay, so you will see 3 is there. Okay, what is the address of that 3? B. So you will go to that address and print the value. Okay, so b's value is 15. Now fine, you will display 15. That is saying 420. 4 is not present. You want to insert 4, but the scenario is your like capacity become full, so you need to delete this element which is like old. Okay, so you will delete this element, delete it from the map also, and you will insert. Insert is simple. Okay, insert is quite simple. You will insert a node that is 4 and 20 value, and suppose it have a address 3 have address b and 2 have address c. Okay, so suppose it have a address e, then you will store 4 at e position. Okay, now you will get 6, sorry, get 2. 2 is there in the 2 have a address c, then you will go to address c, it have a value 12, so you will display 12. Okay, then you put 4 as 15, but 4 is already there, you have seen. Okay, so what you will do, replace it. How will replace it? Delete that from map, delete it from the queue, and then insert it. Okay, it's simple. Insert it 4 and 15. Then suppose it have address f, then you will override or introduce new thing 4f. Okay, get 6 is not there in the map, you can directly return -1. So I hope you got the intuition behind this. Like, it's simple, like assembly language. Do this, do that, do this, do that. Okay, so you can start the code. I can write also, there is no problem at writing it, but you know what I think is like it will waste time only. So I will show my solution to you. So initially you have a node class in which key value is there. Okay, you have two pointer prev next, like doubly linked list have. Okay, you can write a constructor which will take key value and initialize it. So I have said you need two data structure. Okay, linked list you have already made, so you need map only to store the key and its address. You will initialize head to some random -1 value, tail also, and when you will initialize your LRU cache, you will like give capacity like for making it global, we are like taking this variable. Okay, then head next will be tail and tail previous will be head. How to add node? I said you take a temporary node. Okay, then you are free. Head next will be new node previous, and you can assign the pointers easily. Then delete node, it's also very, take the, I told you that take the two previous node, del previous and del next, and then you can just assign each other. Okay, in the get it is like very simple. If your map is having that key, you can get it easily, return value. But now it is recently used, so what you do is erase that key, or you can override also, like don't erase it, anyhow you are going to override. Okay, so delete that node and add that node. Okay, simple. And if you do not find a key, then you can return directly -1. Put is also simple, like take a new node. If it is present, like this key is already present, then you need to delete that key existing node, and then simply add to simple add the new node, and then your head next will be store the address of head next to the key, because it is only the address. Okay, and if the capacity is over, just erase in map, delete node. Okay, so I think this is simple. It's like do this, do that. So if you want to practice this, just write the code yourself 1-2 times, and you will get to know, like, it is easy only. Thank you. And I hate linked list. Okay, that's why I have not made yesterday's video, and I hardly don't get that, like how to like do this in space complexity, like order of 1. So I know add number 1, but 2 is like quite tough. For what we need to add leading 0 and that and this, and I don't like linked list. Okay, and there was less time I have work, so I'm sorry for that, but I will try to bring the POD always. Like, I will try to first wake up early and then I'll surely bring it daily. Thank you. And if you are reading it for the first time, I'll recommend go to this travel video and see it. Okay, because I have also explained, but he has so much nice setup, and he has explained slowly. and if you know it, then you can say it. Thank you.